doing here?
Gotcha! What's going on?
No time to explain. Just grab some worms.
Worms?
Shoo! Go! Shoo! Yeah!
Oh no!
There's too many of them. Fico! The gong!
What?
The doorbell! Ring the doorbell! I'm so sorry. We almost fed your silkworms to the birds, Leanne.
It all turned out well in the end. In a way, you helped me finish my work.
Leanne, I'm ready! Ta-da! What do you think?
I think Leanne's customer is going to love it.
It was Annabella's idea.